We're talking about V7 right now, and we're going to be using the power rule on this skill set. So I wrote you a little note. When you're using the power rule, you keep the base, as we've been doing, but this time you're going to multiply the powers. So number 1 is s to the 9th power. We're raising that to the 4th power. So we keep the base and then multiply the powers. 9 times 4 is 36. So our answer would be s to the 36th power. Number 2, v to the 8th power raised to the 4th power. Keep the base, multiply the exponents. So that would be v to the 32nd power. Number 3, k to the 6th raised to the 4th power. That would be k to the 6 times 4, which is 24. The answer would be k to the 24th power. Number 4, we have j to the 2nd power raised to the 7th power. So 2 times 7 is 14. Our answer would be j to the 14th power. Number 5, we have n to the 4th power raised to the 9th power. So that would be n to the 4 times 9, which would be 36. So our answer would be n to the 36th power. Number 6 is w to the 9th power raised to the 5th power. So that would be w to the 9 times 5, which is 45. So w to the 45th power. Number 7, t to the 5th power raised to the 8th power. So t to the 5 times 8 will be t to the 40th power. Number 8, k to the 4th power raised to the 12th power. So that's k to the 4 times 12, which is 48. So k to the 48th power. So now we have q to the 11th power raised to the negative 10th power. Oh boy. So multiply them first. So q to the 11 times negative 10 is negative 110. Now, I'm going to try something here. I don't know. It didn't say that we were supposed to put them as positive exponents. We're just using the power rule. So typing it in this way, we may get it right, we may get it wrong, but at least we'll know for next time. So we're going to do q to the negative 110th power. Oh, okay. So we don't have to write them as a positive exponent. So then we've got b to the negative 1 raised to the 12th power. So that would be b to the negative 1 times 12 is negative 12. So b to the negative 12th power. 11, we've got p to the negative 12 raised to the negative 2. Well, p to the negative 12 times negative 2 is positive 24. So this would be p to the positive 24. 12, we have g to the negative 6 to the positive 5. So that would give us g to the negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. So our answer would be g to the negative 30. Number 13 is y to the 12th raised to the 9th power. So that's y to the 12 times 9, which is 108. So that would be y to the 108. Oh, let's see. If you remember, we've got v to the 11th power, but we're raising that to the power of 0. Now, you might be tempted, and I guess you could say v to the 11 times 0 is 0, so that would be v to the 0, but what do we know about v to the 0? Always equals 1. So you really didn't have to multiply them. When you saw this 0, you could have automatically said the answer is 1. Well, looky here. Let's look at this one. We've got number 15. We've got h to the negative 8, j to the negative 10, k to the 7, and we're taking all of those and raising them to the negative 10. This process isn't any different. You just multiply each exponent. So you're going to take negative 10, multiply it by negative 8, take negative 10, multiply it by negative 10, take negative 10 and multiply it by 7. So we've got h, negative 8 times negative 10 is positive 80. J, negative 10 times negative 10 is positive 100. K, 7 times negative 10 is negative 70. So we've got h to the 80th, j to the 100th, and k to the negative 70. And we know automatically the answer to this is 1. We're not even going to write this one down. It's 1. All right. So I'm going to leave that as the last one we did. Hopefully this was helpful. I will see you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.